Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly, battery, and right speaker. Removal. Disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from the connector on the system board. Remove the USB board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the display cover. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board bracket to the display cover. Lift the USB board bracket off of the USB board and remove. Carefully lift the USB board straight up and off of the alignment pins on the display cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the USB board.